kwanyora ntubwate buna bono in a ward across the ward buna bono ngwande ward ya Nyakwa across the ward ya Nyakwa ntubwate supermarkets. But if you go to those supermarkets na bakonyoranga mwana tayo no yomo no youth were employed in those supermarkets na MCA. Oh no, I don't know about what how do they want to lead? Because if you cannot empower youth, if you cannot do development across the world, but I can leadership kiyo or conduct in our certain word. So that's why now this time round they thoroughly change. And in the morning, we just have a side. I go already in the entire country, Kenya.
Yes.
Have a side, that's okay, that's all around here. But they could get our baby bigger. But I told you, I would change. While I ask on your baby,
yes,
we change us have a side and to our colleagues here. Because we have the capability, you will deliver whatever in like what they do. We are learned. You want to mind about the leadership. We can do better than the